Reuters. Cyclone Hudhud blasted India's eastern seaboard on Sunday with gusts of up to 195 km per hour, over 120 miles per hour, uprooting trees, damaging buildings and killing at least 5 people despite a major evacuation effort. The port city of Visakhapatnam, home to 2 million people and a major naval base, was hammered as the cyclone made landfall, unleashing the huge destructive force it had sucked up from the warm waters of the Bay of Bengal. Wreckage was strewn across Visakhapatnam, known to locals as Vizag. Most people heeded warnings to take refuge, but 5 were killed by falling trees and masonry, and thousands of homes were damaged, emergency officials said. The Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, the state that bore the brunt of Hudhud's onslaught, said the extent of damage would only become known after the storm abates. "We are unable to ascertain the situation. 70% of communication has totally collapsed. This is the biggest calamity," and Chandrababu Naidu told Headlines Today Television. "We are asking people not to come out of their houses," Naidu said, adding that damage assessment would start on Monday. "We are mobilizing men and material immediately." Prime Minister Narendra Modi called Naidu and promised all possible assistance in relief and rescue operations, his central government said in a statement. The low toll reported so far followed an operation to evacuate more than 150,000 people to minimize the risk to life from Hudhud, similar in size and power to Cyclone Phelan that struck the area exactly a year ago.